Bharatiya Sanskriti Darshan Trust Integrated Cancer Treatment and Research Center is in the field of integrative oncology since 1994, where cancer patients are treated with Ayurvedic treatment along with conventional treatment. Ayurvedic treatment for cancer patients consists of oral Ayurvedic medicines, Rasayana Chikitsa, Panchakarma treatment, healthy diet and counseling. ICTRC's Panchakarma Center has 10 well-equipped cottages situated in lush green land of Vagoli. We also have a 60-bedded Panchakarma hospital for cancer patients funded by Tata Trust. The hospital has 10 general wards with capacity of 3 patients each, 10 semi-private wards with the capacity of 2 patients each, and 10 special rooms. Well-equipped Panchakarma procedure rooms are attached to the wards. Panchakarma treatment is a highly effective but at the same time a very delicate treatment modality in Ayurveda. Thus, we advise our cancer patients to get admitted for Panchakarma treatment from 7 to 28 days. It allows us to monitor patients day to day with our expert Ayurvedic consultants. It also helps us to provide them nutritious food as per Panchakarma procedures, and it also helps patients to take necessary rest required for Panchakarma treatment. We also have male and female therapists for Panchakarma which provide their services to male and female patients respectively. Diagnostic and treatment facilities are also available at our hospital from modern perspective if it is needed during the course of Panchakarma. Along with Panchakarma, we have facilities of yoga, meditation, library, health awareness lectures at our hospital, which makes patients more comfortable. We have treated more than 2000 cancer patients of various types from India and abroad at our Panchakarma hospital under the able guidance of Dr. S.P. Sardeshmukh sir. It is observed that Panchakarma treatment is highly effective to improve quality of life of cancer patients, to minimize early and late side effects of chemotherapy and radiotherapy, to increase disease-free survival of cancer patients, and to relax their mind. Remarkable benefits are observed in breast cancer, oral cavity cancers, Hodgkin's disease, non-Hodgkin's disease, brain cancer, cervical cancer with Panchakarma treatment if the treatment is taken regularly.